Why is that, do you think? Is there anything that the law enforcement did improperly? Is there even, I mean, what would it be? Well, a couple things. I mean, one is this individual became known because she alleged a conspiracy theory at the Department of Health, which is unfounded, never proven at all. She was fired because she wasn't doing a good job. There was none of the stuff that she said was ever proven. You'd think that would be the end of it. Obviously, she's got issues. On this situation, there was an intrusion of a very sensitive system. It's an emergency alert system. If somebody gets a hold of that, they can do a lot of damage. I mean, you could really frighten a lot of elderly people, other vulnerable populations. So when that happened, the Department of Health did the right thing. They went to law enforcement. They said, we can't allow this to happen, and do an investigation. And so the the law enforcement looked at the intrusion. They identified the IP address. Then they did what any investigator would do. They subpoenaed the internet provider. The internet provider provided this residence as the IP address that did the intrusion. So they got a search warrant, got the devices, and guess what? They're probably going to be able to match those devices to the intrusion, at which point that's clearly a felony offense. And so I think Floridians want government to protect them. I think that they want these sensitive systems to be protected. I don't think they want them to be intrusion. And just because you're a darling of some corners of the fever swamps, that does not exempt you from following the law.